Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Capcut on your PC, specifically on adding keyframes. So before we get started, I'm going to teach you on how to download Capcut if you don't have it on your PC, because technically Capcut, it's mostly used, or majority is going to be used on the phones, right? On your mobile devices or something like that. So to use it on your PC, you need to just open any browser you want. If you have Google Chrome, that's perfectly fine, even if you see that I brought up or I pulled up Microsoft Edge here. If you want to use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and I'm not sure though if it's there, it's not a problem as long as you can access to the internet, like so. Okay? So from here, just type in CapCut download for Windows. Something like that. Just type on those three words right there. Those are just keywords or search words, something like that. And just click on this one right here. I think I mistyped of some keywords here. CapCut for Windows. Simple as that. And just click on this guide from Microsoft Store. It will pull up Microsoft Store, and then you can download CapCut from your PC. It should look like this. Let me just pull up my this desktop right here. It should be this one. Okay. So let's just go in Capcut right now. As you can see here, I already imported a stock video from the internet. So from here now, just drag this stock image to your timeline. Let me just check my recording if everything is good. Perfect. So from here now, you can just add your keyframes from this button or from this side right here. As you can see, it says add keyframe, add keyframe, add keyframe right here. Those diamond icons right there, those are the keyframe actions. So let me just remove the audio so we won't be bothered. So for example, I want to mark this specific section right here. Add keyframe right there. And then, again, moving on, I want to add a keyframe over there. It just keeps on going right here. Another keyframe for me. As you can see here, add keyframe whatever I want. Right? So if you want to delete a specific keyframe, just click on it on the timeline editing platform and delete it right there. Simple as that. So I hope I taught you a lesson here on how to use keyframes on CapCut Pro or CapCut specifically for Windows. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.